Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. I am joining in with Jennifer at home. It's an awesome channel. If you're not following her, please go over and check her channel out. She's sweet, she's kind, and full of inspiration for all of you awesome creators out there that want to find something about decluttering, decorating, and organizing and cooking. Please go check out her awesome channel. Now I'm going to show you how I cleaned out my pantry and hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to show you from start to finish and show you how I put all the food away that I have purchased in the last 6 weeks. It's important to clean out your pantry at least once or twice a year and make sure you organize everything and put the fresh stuff that you just purchased for the pantry at the back and all the things you already have at the front, for you don't let things go bad. Think we're doing pretty good. Got this all cleaned out. We're going to start putting it back together. Well, I'm going to start cleaning and organizing my pantry today. And as you can see, I have a 2-pack helper shelf. I bought a pair of these, so I have one more set that's been put away. I'm going to see how these are going to work out. I don't know if I'm going to use them in the pantry or not, but that was why I bought them. I didn't buy them for dishes because my cupboards are just fine the way they are for the dishes. But I did buy these to organize my pantry with all the cans, so we'll see how they work out. Well, this shelving unit seems like it's going to work perfectly in here. I know it looks like it's dirty, but everything's been washed down thoroughly. That is just stains on the plastic, and I'm not going to worry about it. Maybe next year I'll buy all new plastic and recut it, but this stuff's expensive, so I'm not worrying. Everything will be covered once I get all the stuff put back away. Well, I have all my Jell-O and pudding in these 2 containers. I personally would like to get another one of these. Don't remember where I bought it. I've had it a couple of years. So I'm going to look and see if I can find a couple more of them. They're working out perfect to slide in and out, and you have the little hand thing to grab. And so, but this is where my Jell-O, my pudding, and my hot chocolate's going. For I don't have a big cluttered mess looking for where everything is. you.